Like my whiteboard now, it's all new and improved, okay? It made a giant Y, okay? And there's a 1 by 5 here that was essential in creating the Y. What's the fifth letter of the alphabet? An E. And then down here, we created a little S. Or a 5. Let's call it a 5 or an S. Let's call it a yes. Let's call it Yes Man. Okay? Oh, making a Y. Oh yeah. Where's Armageddon? Armageddon would be his head. Uh-huh. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? You know what I think you are? I think you're the Ass Man. That's right, guy. There's your Armageddon A. And there's a 5. The fifth letter of any alphabet kind of looks like an S. And there's an S at the bottom. Ass Man. Yes, man. What are you gonna be? An yes man? Or an ass man? Yeah. That's pretty weird. You know, about everything being backwards and maybe a plus sign is actually multiplication and a multiplication sign is actually a plus. I actually think it's even worse than that, guy. Okay? I was looking at these going to myself, what do people think of these numbers? Okay? You know? What do you see? How many ones are there? I don't know, are there 3 ones and 3 ones? Is there 1 1 and 2 ones? Well, now there's gotta be 2 ones, because that's just one big 1. And that's a 1. And then there must be 3 ones here, right? The way I see it is that if you want to depict the number 1, you should probably circle it. Say, like, that's a 1. If you want to say 0, you should be saying, like, 0. Okay, which is just a 1 from a different point of view. Imagine if today's traditional 0 was this, and today's traditional 1 was that. Imagine we actually did that. That actually somewhat makes sense to me, because when I look at 110, I see a 3 and a 1. But in reality, it should be 1, right? 0, 0, 0. You gotta account for the circles, and then you got like your 999 circled. Which I guess isn't upside down yet. See what I'm saying? See what I'm trying to say here? It's just, I look at this, okay, and that to me is capital A, and that to me is 2 zeros and 2 ones. Because the goddamn O that goes around the whole thing is not a 0, it's a 1. That's the difference maker. That is equal to 1, and that is not equal to an actual literal 0. So when I look at the number 110, okay, and I look at it backwards, I see it's not telling me numbers, it's telling me lowercase and uppercase, first character. You know? Maybe that's what 110 is. 110 is trying to tell you 174. 110 is trying to tell you 174. 141. 150, 161, 169, 169, 169. Need a V. I circled 13. I see a 1, a 1, and a 3. I see a 5. And then voila, there's your Roman numeral V. You're done. You're done counting. So yeah. I guess the lesson of this one is it's a very important piece of the puzzle that I randomly stumbled upon. One of 7 of 13, which is circled. 13 is the 14. And that's an 11. 110. Man, I know I said like you have to learn a new language, but I didn't know everything would be backwards. Imagine if it's all backwards. Imagine every 0 needs to be a 1, and every 1 needs to be a 0, and every plus is actually multiplied, and every multiply is actually a plus, and we just haven't been seeing it right at all, ever. Wow. That's creepy. All from that. A and A. Numbers, lowercase, uppercase. The Trinity. It's the importance of the Trinity in the decode. That's what I was doing over here. I was doing like, these. Interesting. So, again, like, I don't know, it doesn't look like it kind of feels like a swastika, but it's not a swastika, but maybe it is a swastika. Like, I don't know, but I mean, I'm looking at it going like, is this a swastika? Like, it goes like, da, da, and then does it go da, da, and then does it go da, 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 da. Like, it's a freaking crazy swastika. I think this is like a crazy swastika thing going on. Like, am I, like, come on, like, a V there, a V there, a V there, a V there, a V there. Literally, guy. V, 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 V. Or, sorry, V. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Shit, guy. It's a fucking swastika. Oh, goddamn thing's fucking swastika, if you haven't noticed that by now. But, like, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you have to get back in phase. It's three phase, and the fourth one you restart. 3 phase, 3 phase, 3 phase. Bunch of V's, and there's your clock. You're posing. Like, you see it, right? Like this, like, I'm just, am I, like, here. Sorry. Yeah, that's what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's 4. Holy shit, guy, you see it? Your bottom and your top. There's your knot. But this part's more like completed, you know? Like you got the 3x3. Without, oh, there you go. So this is actually a 4x4, but remember that it's necessary to create the hypercube. But now if you were to pick this without heaven as a 3x3, but have the same knowledge as a 4x4 in 3x3, it would look like that on tilt. And there's your 3x3. There's your 3 wheels. And these are your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 wheels on your vertices, on your faces. Huh. One V, 2V, 3V. 5 vertices and 3 V's is 8. Two vertices and 4 V's is 6. 6 faces, 8 vertices. Wow, it's all about energy. Whoa. I like Ass Man. Let's go back to Ass Man. And that was a little bit more lighter. Capital A. A 5 looks like an S with your S. Or your S. I forgot it was upside down. And yes. It's like the angel on your shoulder, the devil on your shoulder. It doesn't matter which way you read it, left or right, it's going to kind of say the same thing. But that's interesting. This is interesting. These are your numbers. These are your lowercase. And these are your upper case. And if that's an A, that's basically a 0, 1, and 27. Circle and circle. 174. And the 0 is kind of doing the hidden 0 circle. Anyway. Cool.